Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for regular updates on recipes. Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe of a roast chicken. It's absolutely simple and delicious as well. First, let's marinate the chicken. I've taken a kilo of chicken over here, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, and a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm going to mix this. I'm going to leave this aside now for an hour. Now let's get on with the gravy. For the gravy, I have taken 4 onions here, medium sized. I'm going to slice them finely. I've already kept a tawa heating over here. I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee in this. Once the ghee melts, I'm going to fry the onions nice and golden. The onions have got nice and golden. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, and I'm going to fry this till the raw smell goes off. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, a teaspoon of Fennel seed powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, a tablespoon of chili powder, and I'm going to fry this again for a few minutes. I have 2 tomatoes here which I have sliced. I'm going to add that now. And I'm going to cook this till the tomatoes are nice and soft. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. I'm adding this water so that the gravy becomes a little moist. The tomatoes have got soft and have cooked well. And now let's add the marinated chicken. Let's mix this well. Let's keep the flame on a medium and then cook it for about 15 minutes or till the chicken is done. Our chicken is ready. We have cooked it on a nice low flame, so it's nice and succulent and juicy. I'm just going to garnish it with some curry leaves. Mix this. And I'm going to remove this in a serving platter. You can have it with some nice parathas or steamed rice. So do try this dish and let me know. For such interesting non-veg recipes, keep watching Get Curried.